Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can save video from Telegram application to our gallery. Alright guys, first thing first, we need to open our Telegram application. And for example, I'm going to save video from this contact. I'm going to open my room chat with this contact, so we just need to click on it. And for instance, I'm going to save this video. So this contact has sent me a video, and before we save this video to our gallery, we have to download the video first. We can click on this download option, and you have to wait until the video has been downloaded. Okay, now it's done. And if we want to save this video to our gallery, we just need to click on the three dots, and here we have to click on save to gallery. Okay, and now the video has been saved to my gallery, and I'm going to check it. I'm going to open the Telegram folder, this one. Okay, and this is the video I have just saved to my gallery from my Telegram application. Alright guys, and that's how we can save a video from Telegram to our gallery. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.